And the questions on data quality in recent months have policymakers in a bind. Economists, too, are finding it difficult to analyze data points to predict the likely path. In this next report, we decode what to watch in the week ahead.
For central banks today is the questions on the quality of the economic data releases. One doesn't have to look very far for data quality issues. Take the UK, where last week's retail sales release was pulled because of dodgy numbers. It joins the labour force survey and producer prices in a not very exclusive club of data plagued by quality issues. Time will tell what the latest issue was. But life has gotten harder for stats agencies around the world. That is not just because of funding issues or political pressure. Survey response rates are falling, making key numbers like US non-farm payrolls sketchier. Then more recently, high inflation. The growing tendency of firms to make big price increases in the first few months of the year has made it harder to deflate the data. Whatever the reasons, the problem is getting worse and not better. So central banks have just got to roll with what's in front of them. As a result, policymakers are more likely to disagree with one another, and we're already seeing it. The Bank of England's August decision failed to reach an initial verdict for the first time ever. The Fed's July meeting had two governors dissent against the majority verdict, which hasn't happened for decades. Put simply, data quality and the volatility it fosters means more than ever. So it's possible to reach a range of different interpretations from the same set of numbers. And central banks are going to be more reluctant to pre-commit to anything in advance. On the US data due this week, core PCE deflator inflation figures are going to be key, especially as last week's Fed minutes revealed that officials think we're still to see the full effects of tariffs. Finally, and most importantly, dodgy data means central banks are more likely to be wrong. Bureau Report, WION World is One.